Hi, I'm Chef Vital. Welcome to Cooking and Crooking. Today, roasted tomato salsa. When you pick your tomatoes, don't go for the first ones you see. You gotta pick the sweetest ones. For salsa, that's what you need. I am using 3 different chiles. You can use fresh, chipotle, New Mexico, guajillo, always roasted garlic, and the onion. Of course, olive oil, parsley, and we're gonna add the Hibiscus Margarita, Crook Market, delicious. We're gonna roast these vegetables. Tomatoes, onion. You want it with the whole peel. You want this to burn. It's gonna add taste to your salsa. Roast it in. That's all you need really. A gulp. Not a little bit, a lot. Because in the end, mixed with the juices, it's gonna emulsify your sauce. Now, to the oven. Next, I'm gonna bring my water, which has been boiling. Put some salt into your water, 1 of each. Remember, guajillo, New Mexico, chipotle. Put it back to the stove. Let it rest. Alright my friends, we're ready. Let's put out our vegetables from the oven. They must be very nicely roasted. So, very important, when you're doing salsa, your liquid needs to come from your tomatoes, needs to come from your onions. Why did I did the onion full like this? Because it caramelizes only the outside, but the inside stays soft. Some people would see these, all I do is I shake them in the water. They've been sitting down just on hot water with salt, that's all. It's gonna bring not only the smokiness of them, but also the heat to the sauce. Give it a first round. Gotta be loud. And let it breathe. Now we're gonna add the Hibiscus cooking marker, just a dash. Now blend it one more time. Fancy. Thank you for joining us at Cooking and Crooking. I am Chef Vital. See you next time.